is if you're not getting your notifications, you can't hear your text or your phone ring. If you turn your iPhone, you're going to see these buttons here. You're going to see this one, and this one. Well, if you take a really good look, this should be on the right, because if it's on the left, okay, if this is on the left, like that, you're not going to be able to, if this is on the left, like this, if that's on the left, you're not going to be able to hear your notifications. It has to be to the right. Make sure that goes to the right. And that's one way to fix it. Another one is, if you look here, the half moon, if that is on and you're seeing this in your iPhone right here, do y'all see that? That means you're not going to be able to hear your text or any of your notifications. Make sure that that is off and the half moon is not showing up here. Okay? Make sure that that is off. Another thing, another thing that would help, if you go to your settings, click on it. Okay, let's try that again. If you go to your settings and you look for Do Not Disturb, make sure that your manual and your scheduled are off. Hope this helps.